Today I'll guide you on how to upload photos in Google Drive and share the link. So the easiest way will be to create a new folder, press on new, a new folder. Let's name it test for the purpose of this video, press on create. Now once you have the folder, double click on it to enter it. Now let's press on new and file upload. Let's choose to upload something. I have here a few photos, let's upload those. And while they're being uploaded, I'll show you how to share a specific photo and how to share the entire folder, okay? So if you want to share a specific photo, hover your mouse over the photo which you want to share. You'll find here 3 dots, hit those 3 dots and you'll find here share and share. But if you want to share the entire photos, the entire folder and its containing, well, press here on this pointing down arrow right beside the folder name and let's press on share and share again. Now at general access, make sure anyone with the link is selected, alright, and also double check what permission you want to give. If you want them to view the photos and download them, leave the viewer, or if you want them to organize, delete or edit the files, leave the editor. Okay, so let's press on just view, copy link and press on done. And now if we open a new incognito page, alright, let's paste the link. This is what they will see. They will see the files and they can press on download. Okay, so this is how to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link. I hope it helped and I hope you have a great day.